Most creators waste 80% of their upload time on files that could be 10 times smaller. I'm going to show you the free tool pros use to fix that in minutes. In this video, I will show you how to download and install FFmpeg on your Windows PC and how to compress video size with it. Let's get rolling. Let's start by opening the installation guide I have created. The link to the document is attached to the description of this YouTube video. Make sure you download it if you want to follow it step by step. Now, the first step is to download the FFmpeg files. To do so, go to the link here in my installation guide. I have also added the link to the description of this video. Just click on the link and navigate to the website. Click the Release Builds link, which is located in the left panel of the web page. Now, click the link to download FFmpeg Release Full Zip. This downloads the latest FFmpeg files to your PC in a compressed format. Now wait for the downloading process. After the download is complete, the next thing is to extract the files. Click on the download icon, then open the directory of the file. Open the zip file and you will see a folder with the same name. At the top, click Extract All and select the current folder as destination and extract. So we have extracted the folder. Open the folder and you will see all the FFmpeg files. On the folder we extracted, rename it to FFmpeg. The next step is to move the FFmpeg folder we just renamed to the PCC root directory. So go to the folder directory, right-click the FFmpeg folder and select Cut to cut the file from the directory. Now navigate to your PC local disk C and paste the folder there. The next step is to run our command prompt as administrator. To do this, click the Start menu and search for Command Prompt or CMD. Yeah, make sure you run the command prompt as administrator by clicking Run as administrator. Now, we want to add FFmpeg to the system path by setting the environment variables, which will allow you to run the FFmpeg commands from any directory. To do that, copy the command, which is here. Then paste it in the command line interface and click Enter. Now, you can use FFmpeg from any directory on your PC. To verify that we can access FFmpeg from any directory on our PC, close your previous CMD interface and open a new command prompt, but this time do not run as administrator, just run it the normal way. Now, go back to our installation guide and copy this command ffmpeg.version. Then back at the command prompt, paste the command and press Enter. Here we can have details of the FFmpeg, which means that the FFmpeg is working correctly. To compress any video, open the command prompt. Run the command prompt by clicking Open. Open the File Explorer and navigate to the video you want to compress. Here, the name of the video I want to compress is vid001. Make sure you note the name of the video and you can rename to simpler name. Next, click the breadcrumb navigation, which is at the top, and you will get the path to the current folder you are. Now, copy the path. Navigate back to your command prompt, type cd, then space, and then paste the path you copied. This navigates you to the video directory on command prompt interface, and you can now access the video via CLI. Now, Navigate back to the installation guide and copy the video compression command. I personally use the first one that uses constant rate factor. Navigate back to the CMD and paste the command. Now, let's edit the command. Change the input MP4 to the file name of the video, and in my case it is vid001 MP4. Then rename the output MP4 to anything, but here I will leave it at that. Then click enter to start the compression. Now FFmpeg will start compressing the video, and you can see the process on your CLI. Now the compression is done. Go back to the video directory and you will find the compressed version there. Here the compressed version is 3.2 megabytes, while the original video is 59.6 megabytes. The difference is wide. If you found this helpful, like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss my next update.